Hello guys, I am back. Today I proudly present to you my unboxing of my new phone, the Galaxy C Fold6. Okay, I got it as my birthday present from my wife. She bought it for around $1,600, which is personally pricey for me. She got the 512 gigabyte version. This is my first 512 gigabyte phone. She also bought a blue color, as you can see. Okay, she always know that I always love big phone, and I'm really a big fan of this Huawei Mate 28, as you can see. Okay, I waited for a long time for an update to another phone, but till now I still don't think there is any proper replacement. Some people say this phone can replace it. Well, I don't know, but now I have a great chance to test it. So let's look it around the box and unbox it. Okay, as you can see, the box is totally square as the phone, as you already know. Okay, it has 12 gigabyte of RAM and 512 gigabyte of storage. Okay, and nothing around this box. Let's look at the inside. Okay, here there is some I think it's maybe some paper. Up. Okay, it's the USB C cable, so there is no charger in the box as always. Samsung. Okay, here is the phone itself. Oop. Nothing in the box. Here is the phone. Okay, I already got the tempered glass screen protector installed on the front from the shop, I think. Okay, you can see here is the camera. The blue color is all matte blue. There is no shiny blue, as you can see. For me, I like this design. It feels boxy. Okay, boom. Okay, here's the phone itself. Here, here is the power button. It also works as a fingerprint. Okay, there is a volume slider, the SIM slot, the speaker grill, the microphone, and the Type C here. There is no S Pen slot. Samsung, please put it on the next generation. Okay, wow, it's big. Okay, so the phone feels absolutely premium. When I hold it, I immediately feel it. It has a titanium build, I think. The blue look okay for me, but I personally don't care that much about the color because I'm gonna purchase a protective case for it anyway. The full mechanism feel, oh, wow, feel very solid. Okay, it feel slimmer than it. I don't know, but I feel it's slimmer than my Huawei Mate 20X, as you can see. Yeah, it's a little bit slimmer because it has a curved design. Okay, when unfolded it feel great in the hand. The crease feel okay, but I think it's gonna change over time, but I don't care about it. Who's gonna look for it anyway when you're using the big phone like this? Okay, and yeah, the phone overall feel very premium, but is it was 100 or $1,600? mm, for me, yes. If Samsung put a S24 Ultra camera in it, but sadly no. I don't know why Samsung think about creating a $1,600 and don't put the ultimate camera in it. I will testing it and using it for a full month and see how it goes, especially compare it with my old Huawei Mate 20X. Okay, As you can see, all big phone, but I think this one is still one of the best phablet ever produced. Okay, and there are several accessory coming soon. I bought it from Spigen and Drinke, especially for this Z Fold 6, and I will make more video along the way. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.